To deposit a check with the Citibank mobile app, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you have not enrolled in mobile banking, you can do so by following the prompts on the app. Once logged in, navigate to the menu and select the mobile deposit option. You will be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions of the mobile deposit service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to accept. Next, select the account where you want to deposit the check. Choose the account type, such as checking or savings, and confirm the account details. Enter the amount of the check you want to deposit. Make sure to enter the correct amount, as this will be verified against the check. Take a photo of the front and back of the check using your device's camera. Ensure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." The app will guide you through the process of taking the photos, and you can retake them if they are not clear. Review the deposit details, including the account, amount, and check images. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message and an email with the details of the deposit. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place until the deposit is confirmed and the funds are available in your account. Once the deposit is confirmed, you can void the check to prevent it from being deposited again. Best practices for mobile deposit include ensuring the check is properly endorsed, the photos are clear, and the deposit is made promptly. It is also crucial to monitor your account regularly to detect any suspicious activity. In case of any issues or errors during the deposit process, you can contact Citibank customer service for assistance. They are available 24/7 to help with any questions or concerns you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely deposit a check using the Citibank mobile app. This convenient service saves you time and allows you to manage your finances on the go.